Good afternoon, students. This video is being recorded to show you how to screenshot your completed assignment for you to upload it to either your Google Classroom or any other platform being used. So this is how, I'm going to now take these few minutes to show you how to screenshot your assignment. So first of all, you must open the assignment using Microsoft Edge. So you must download Microsoft Edge onto your device. After you have downloaded Microsoft Edge onto your device, then you're going to open up the assignment using Microsoft Edge. So let's do this assignment. And it might not be correct, so I'm just doing something. It might not be the correct thing, but I'm just doing something, right? I guess that is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 154. Okay. I'm just doing some stuff. Might not be correct, as I said before. This is just to show you how to screenshot your assignment. Alright, so then you're going to click on the word finish. Click on the word or the phrase rather, check my answers. And then you're going to go to the upper right hand corner where you see I'm pointing right here, and you see these 3 dots. When you click on them, then you're going to scroll down until you find web capture. Then you're going to click on capture full page, and then let me move my camera. You're going to click on save, and then you download it. And now you're going to open it up now. Now after you open it up, you'll have to crop it. So you're going to use this to crop it. Okay, so we're going to crop the image by clicking on this button here. See, it says crop. So if it takes a while to come up, then you're going to now put the cursor at the end of it until it turns vertical. You're going to go up and you're going to stop right there. Good. And then you're going to click on the button that says save a copy right here. Move my video out of the way. Click on this button that says save a copy. It is saving a copy. Then now you're going to change the name of the file and put the name of the worksheet there. So maybe you probably would put place value, and please don't write back place value on your worksheet if it's not a place value worksheet. And then you're going to save it, and look to where it's saved. It's going to be saving pictures. So when you're going to upload to the platform where your assignment is, you have to then click ensure that it is in pictures. You click on save, and that's all. So whenever you're ready to upload it now, you'll now go and look for the file and upload it. So this is if you are using your laptop to upload files such as this, picture files that you can screenshot using the Microsoft Edge browser. Thank you very much for viewing. Wish you all the best in doing your assignments and uploading it.